IT खात्यात जॉब दिवपा खातीर पैसे मागिल्ल्याचो हो ऑडियो.
खातीर मरे तुका दिवचे पडटले
ओके लायक वॉट इज लायक अमाउंट
आनी तेय तुका थोडे एडवान्स दिवचे पडटले. थोडे तुजे काम जातकीर समज तुजें काम जायना जाल्यार तुजे एडवान्स रिटर्न जातले.
ओके
कळ्ळें न्ही.
ओके थोडे म्हणजे वॉट इज दॅट माझे
1 लाख
बजेट तरी जाय
1 लाख
टोटल आणि सॅलरी कितली तर त्याची
सॅलरी जवळपास
पोस्टाक.
जवळपास आसतली 70,000
मंथली इन हँड
50 to 70,000 आसतली इन हँड.
ओके एंड इट इज लायक परमनंट जॉब न्ही ती का
ना
कशें
इट इज इयरली मागीर तुका हें जातलें रिन्यू जातलो.
इयरली
रिन्यू जातलो वर्साचो तो इयरली रिन्यू जातलो पुणून तो कंटिन्यू उरतलो.
एका असिस्टंट संचालकान जॉब दिवपा खातीर एका तरणाट्याकडच्यान 1 लाख मागलो. फोन रेकॉर्डिंग व्हायरल जाली मात अजून ताका सस्पेंड करूंक ना म्हूण युवा काँग्रेसवाल्यांनी संचालकाक जाब विचारलो.
See, we became aware of this particular incident yesterday because of whatever has happened. And we have initiated the action yesterday itself. The file has already moved to the Vigilance Department.
No, but right now what is he doing? Is he on work? Is he on
Should be
duty?
suspended immediately.
Is he on duty?
He is
Because
on
that's a
duty
state
till the
allegation.
Vigilance Department.
No,
So where is he right
that's-
now?
That's not right.
See, we are taking initiation of the
Initiative.
action. We cannot
Initiation
directly
is fine,
pass
but
the orders.
they're not asking to terminate him. At least you should be on.
So he's not yet suspended.
The file is moved to the Vigilance Department. We are awaiting their response.
And is the minister, the IT minister, aware of this particular situation? What is his take on this?
File has moved from the minister himself.
सस्पेन्शनाची मागणी लावन धरपी युवा काँग्रेसवाल्यांक पुलिसांनी ऑफिसांतल्यान भायर काडले.
That particular person who is accused is still working, and it's a shameful act by the government of Goa that person who is accused is still sitting in his chair and working. This is promotion of illegalities. Goa stands on the top of unemployment. Why? Because of corrupt procedures like these.
And this corruption is not only in this department. I will tell you, corruption is in every department of BJP Sarkar.
प्रुडंटा खातीर ओमकार फळारी आनी चेतन गवस.